Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Bee Propolis is a resinous hive product made by bees from plant resins, beeswax, and enzymes. It is rich in flavonoids and aromatic compounds that provide antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant actions. Typical extractions yield alcohol tinctures at a 1:5 ratio or dry powders standardized to 30% flavonoids, with raw chunks used for direct resin applications. Chemical composition varies by region and plant source, so label concentration, origin, and extraction method guide. For oral use, common doses range from 250 mg to 1,000 mg daily, often split into 2 doses. Start low to check tolerance. Tinctures are dosed by drops. A 1:5 tincture commonly provides 5-20 drops per dose, taken 1-2 times daily in water or under the tongue. Capsules and powders are convenient for precise dosing. Start at 250 mg or 5 drops. Monitor for allergy for 7-14 days, then increase gradually to therapeutic levels as needed under guidance. Topical use includes creams, ointments, and gels. For skin, apply a 10% to 30% propolis ointment 2-3 times daily to affected areas, covering if needed. Avoid using concentrated alcohol tinctures on open wounds. Prefer water-based gels or ointments for mucous membranes and injured skin. Always perform a 24-hour patch test on intact skin because bee product, or latex allergy is possible. Stop use if redness, itching, or swelling occurs, and seek medical care for severe reactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.